Recently, I was invited to a black tie event and wanted to take my red lipstick look to the next level. Today, I'm going to show you how. The first step is to line your lips. I'm just using a regular lip pencil. Anyone will do in any color of red that you would like to be using. Once you've finished lining your lips, the second step is to introduce your color. I'm using a lip brush today, and I'm going to apply 2 formulas of lip color. I find that this color just gives it a really nice pop. My third step is to apply a lipstick that has a little bit more of a gloss to it. It's not necessarily a gloss because I find a gloss can be too goopy and the glitter will end up falling off. So instead I'm using a lipstick that has high shine and it's a little bit more moisturizing. Step 4, my favorite step is adding the glitter. And there you have it, 4 easy steps to create a beautiful glittery look. If you're gonna be going out, make sure that you're drinking with a straw and not to remove your lipstick.